Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I wanted to share with you my first unboxing of the cloth and paper subscription for June. Now this one is a stationary one. This is the one that cost $38, and so I wanted to do this unboxing with you. So thanks for joining. So here's this card, and it's letting me know what's inside. There's the new Cornell Note insert, the July 2021 style vertical weekly, the 5-year plan, 5th edition dashboard, the laundry guide, traverse dashboard, iconic dashboard, and it continues. So there's a bubble bath circle sticky note. New colors. So there's the Mademoiselle, the Orchid Matte, Mademoiselle page flags, and journaling cards. So I'm really excited. I have been wanting to get the subscription box for a while. This is so cute. But it was back in May, and so I wasn't sure, and then I didn't know which one to get, and so I have decided to just do the June, and I've subscribed for July as well, so there's a bunch of goodies. So here are the page flags. This is the Mademoiselle, and here's a sticker card. Sorry, not a sticker card, it's just a card. The distance between dreams and reality is called action. I think I'm going to save this too, so that's cute. So here's a card for July. And then here are the bubble bath sticker, sticky notes. Gosh, guys, this is so cute. I love the colors. So neutral, the nudes, and oh, I don't know what's stuck together. Can't wait to use these. Are these all an orchid? Let's see. I can already tell that it's just different from back here. Yep, different shapes. So here's the orchid dots, the orchid hexagons, orchid squares, orchid tape. This is so cool, guys. I think it's totally worth the $38. Look at that. Set that right here. Then this is the dashboard. Yep. 5-year, I believe is what that one's for. Here's the iconic dashboard on vellum, the laundry guide. This one's so pretty. The 5-year plan. Go ahead, and I have the Martha Stewart half letter size planner, and I like it. I've been using it for about a couple of months, and I like it thus far. So it's a bit smaller than the classic. It's in between the size of a classic planner and mini. So 5-year plan, planning for the next steps in your life can be daunting tasks, so we made the insert to help guide you in determining where you want to be and how you are going to get there. Begin by imagining yourself in 5 years on the back of this sheet. What does your day look like? Where are you living? What are you doing for work? What is your social and personal life like? Don't limit yourself, dream big. So there's some just tips on how to get this started, and you know, I don't have a 5-year plan. Oh, there's stuff on the back of this one. Sorry. It's just a guided yearly goals, monthly goals, weekly goals. There's the vision board. Yeah, this. If I get going on how to do this and planning in this, I'll definitely show you guys. And here's the Cornell notes. And then here is the weekly weekly sheets for July. Which is what I have. It's what I use already. There's the month. I don't even know why I have the box here still. Sorry. Let's see. Okay, so there's the month. Yep, this is the one I have. I have the weekly. This is the one I currently use in my planner. So this is good. So I wanted to just get on and show you guys. This is my first Cloth and Paper unboxing. It's my first subscription to Cloth and Paper, and I do like it. I am more visual, and it's harder for me to decide what like stuff I need. So for example, I've seen this dashboard before, and I don't know that I would have ordered it on my own. This one as well. I've seen these on their website. I don't know that I would have not been able to decide whether I wanted this color, this shape, this color, this size. And so I'm glad that in the subscription, I just have a bunch of little different sizes and colors of things. And so that's definitely, I'm happy. I'm happy with what I've got. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.